Imagine pressing a single button and lifting straight into the sky. No pilot license, no runway, no limits. That's the dream, and Jetson ONE makes it real. The Jetson ONE is a personal electric aircraft, a mix between a drone and a flying motorcycle. It's built with a lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber frame and powered by 8 electric motors. The goal? To bring personal flight from the hands of professional pilots straight to people like you and me. Let's talk specs because they're impressive. It weighs around 86 to 115 kilograms, reaches a top speed of 102 kilometers per hour, 63 miles per hour, and gives you about 20 minutes of flight time per charge. You can climb up to 1,500 feet and control everything with a simple joystick. The batteries are swappable and the motors work independently, so even if one fails, you can still land safely. Jetson ONE comes with multiple sensors, a smart flight computer, auto landing capability, and a strong roll cage around the cockpit. Recent versions even include an emergency parachute. And the controls? Super simple. You can learn the basics in just a few minutes. But it's not only for fun. Jetson ONE can be used for emergency response, reaching remote areas, or short distance travel. Imagine flying up a mountain to watch the sunrise in minutes, not hours. Now, the big question, how much does it cost? The current model is priced around $128,000 USD. Production slots are limited and early batches sold out quickly. Jetson is scaling up manufacturing, but for now, owning one means joining a very exclusive club. Regulations are still catching up. In countries like Italy, Jetson ONE already received special permissions for personal flight. In the US and Europe, airspace rules for eVTOLs are still being finalized, but many early owners are already flying in approved test zones. Of course, it's not a long-distance aircraft. With 20 minutes of flight time, Jetson ONE is perfect for short hops and scenic rides. The open cockpit means you'll feel the wind, and you'll want good weather. But nothing else compares to the thrill of personal flight. Jetson ONE isn't just a machine, it's a glimpse of the future. A first step toward a world where flying is as common as driving. If you've ever dreamed of flying, this is your moment. Like the video, airplane, subscribe for more future tech, and tell me, where would you fly first with your Jetson ONE?